It was a gathering of staff of all cadre to officially unveil the new government's performance-based initiative called Performance Management System (PMS). Performance Management System is a significant policy shift within the civil service aimed at developing result-driven, accountable and high-performance culture in public service by aligning with the ministry's strategic plan, government's priorities and the National Development Plan 2021 to 2025. The policy, which replaced the Annual Performance Evaluation Report (APER), is to enhance accountability, meritocracy, professionalism, loyalty, and efficiency. Addressing a sea of staff at the official launching and sensitization of the performance management system, the Minister of Foreign Affairs, Ambassador Yusuf Tuggar, said the new policy will strengthen the ministry's role as a model of progressive diplomacy by advancing Nigeria's global standing.
Together, we can create a culture of continuous improvement and innovation, ensuring that our ministry remains a beacon of excellence in public service.
The minister also advised the ministry's personnel to fully embrace the change and work collaboratively to institutionalize the new initiative.
I'm happy to see that there is even a contract to be signed. So it's not just my neck on the line, because I also have a contract that I've signed with Mr. President, with the administration, and I'm being graded based on that. So if this system is bringing that, then for us really is a welcome development, and I would like to urge all of us to abide by what it's introducing and to use it to improve our performance.
The Permanent Secretary, Ambassador Dunoma Ahmed, on his part, said the ministry must remain proactive and forward-thinking to ensure full alignment with the performance management system of the Federal Civil Service.
Civil servant, every staff of the ministry is going to sign a performance contract with you, because we are going to track performance of each civil servant. This new system provides for individual assessment. It is no longer the business as usual, where APER is used subjectively to rate officers. This is going to be an objective assessment of each and every officer.
The performance management system will also minimize subjectivity, rating biases, favoritism in appraisals, promote fairness and transparency in performance evaluation, as well as provide an effective framework for monitoring, reporting, and feedback. CNN News.